Hello traders and welcome back to this video. Since the release of our breakout probability indicator, we have gotten tons of questions on how to use it. And this is currently the #1 trending indicator on TradingView. So make sure that you favorite market and boost it. In this way, you get instant access to this amazing indicator. Once you have boosted and favorite marked the indicator, you can access the script by going to Indicators, Community Scripts, Trending, and then you find our breakout probability indicator on the top. So just click on that one and the indicator will be loaded on your TradingView charts. Let's have a look on what the indicator displays on your TradingView chart. And we can see that lines with a percentage value are plotted on your chart. And those lines and percentage value is the probability that the price hits or crosses below or above those levels. So in this case, we have an 61.6% likelihood that the price hits or crosses below this previous low. And as we can see, the price is now below this previous low. So basically those lines and the percentage value corresponds to the probability that the price hits or crosses those levels. Let's have a look on this example, and we can see that we have a 65.28% likelihood that a new high is set. And actually, if we zoom in, we can actually see that a new high was set. So basically, we get great information if those lines are being hit or not. So we recommend you to start using this indicator today. If you want to learn more about how you can use this indicator together with price action data and with price action pattern and such, we recommend you to enroll in our free course. It's completely free, no requirement, and it's just teach you how you can use this indicator with price action to find great trading opportunities. And this is how you enroll in our free course. Go to our webpage. I leave the link in the description below, and then you navigate to Indicators and click on Trading Courses. Then all our trading courses will be listed on this page, and you can see that we have this free breakout probability course. So click on Enroll Now, scroll down and click on Log in to Enroll, create a free account, and then you will be able to access the course content on this page. It's completely free, and we will update this course gradually with more trading setups and with more trading strategies. So make sure to enroll today so you don't miss any upcoming updates. So yeah, see you inside and have a great day.